Hey, my name is Robert Morrison and I am the founder of Axis Drones, and today I have with me the Wallet drone. The Wallet drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. It fits inside of the controller itself, which is the size of a wallet, fits perfectly into your pocket. Not only does the quadcopter fit inside of the remote control, but it actually uses the remote control's batteries to charge itself while not in use, making it go virtually anywhere that you can. This is the most portable, compact quadcopter on the market.
So we've had probably about 5 or 6 different remote control planes, but the Wallet drone seems to last forever. Maybe it's the size, the small size of it, but it flew longer than just about any other copter we've ever used.
The Wallet drone is available in 4 unique colors: blue, green, yellow, and orange. Get yours today on Indiegogo for a simple contribution, and we'll deliver one right to your pocket.